Today I want to talk about creating security groups and managing their permission using file server and the shared folder that I created in the file server. So here I created another server called FS1. FS stands for file server. This is a Windows 2022 core machine, and I installed the role of a file server, just going file server role, and I created a folder called company data $, and I made it share. So how I did it was to go to the file server, create new share. I just selected quick, and then I went file server, but actually it doesn't matter because I'm gonna specify. And I'm gonna go to the D drive, create a new folder. I'm gonna call it marketing. I'm gonna add $, so that the folder can be hidden. And select the folder, and then go next. Share description. And this is fine. Enable access-based enumeration is so that only users that has access to the folder can see the folder. Then go next, create, close. Now I should have two folders, one called company data, one called marketing. So now I should be able to access the folder. Because I am a super admin at this point. So if I go file server 1 and marketing, $, I should be able to access. Now using Active Directory users and computers, I'm going to create new organization group called, I'm just going to check that out for now, marketing. And under here, I'm going to create a new user. His name will be Mark Market. And login name will be Mark. Usually, yes, I should put this on, but for now, I'm just gonna leave it off. Now, I'm going to create a global security group called marketers or marketing underscore G. But before that, I want to create marketing group first. And under here, I'm going to create a security group called marketing G because it's a global group. So now the global group is created. I'm going to create domain local group where the global group will be nested. Marketing domain local group. And this group will have read and write permission. And since this is a domain local, I need to specify that. And first here, the new marketing step that I just created needs to nest in there. Mark markets. And then in domain local, the global group has to nest in there. So the order is always account, global, and domain local, and permission, which we normally just memorize as AGDLP. First, I need to break inheritance of the shared folder because I want to control the accessibility of the folder, specifically of the marketing folder, not inherited from the D drive. So I'm going to disable, convert the inherit permission into explicit permissions on this object. Yes. So now it has permission for read and execute of all users, and there's a special permission for that as well. But I want to control the permission just with one, so I'm going to delete this. Also, there's another control in the shared folder. If you go property, permission, customize permission, and go edit, you can actually specify whether the permission is for that specific folder only, or the permission include the subfolder and the files as well. But I'm just gonna leave it as a subfolder and files as well. Okay, I need to get to the D drive. So that's the D drive that I created, and so that I can see the marketing folder, go to property, go to security, and I need to add the security group, domain local group that I just created. So that was marketing, check names, and it's the read and write group. Okay. And I need to give them write access as well. Apply, okay, okay. Now I'm gonna apply group policy. I was told to always create the group policy in group policy object first before I apply it. So I'm gonna create a new one. And I would say marketing mapped drive. I'm gonna go edit. And in the preference, it's a Windows setting, I think. Yeah. Map drive. Right click new map drive. Just gonna type in location file server 1 $, marketing, reconnect, label as marketing, and use M, of course, for marketing. Create, apply. Okay. Drive mapped group policy should only go to the marketing department. And under marketing department, there's the Mark account that I created. So I'm going to use separate machine and log in as different user than Mark, and then make sure that she doesn't see the mapped drive for marketing because she's not in the marketing department. She's in the IT department. So I'm logging in as Sarah. Sure. So since she's not part of marketing, she shouldn't see the M drive for marketing. But if I change the user to be Mark, he sees the M drive that I named marketing. So that was my video about assigning permission to different security groups.